Welcome to another market recap. Today is February 14th, 2024, and in general, the market's had a nice little rebound from yesterday's sell-off. There are no major news, but it is nice to see that the market seems to be relatively resilient still. Today's biggest winner was Lyft, which was up about 35% today, and this was due to a correction in one of their earnings reports, which swung their EBITDA from a loss of $416 million to a $222.4 million profit. Additionally, TD Cowen raised their target price for the stock to $14. Now, is this a good buy? The bear case is that there's still no profit, but we are seeing a reducing quarterly loss, which is really good. And Uber recently reported its first profitable quarter, so Lyft could be right behind. Additionally, there's still high levels of liabilities, which I'm not a huge fan of, but who knows? As for the bull case, it is still trading below its May 2022 levels, indicating that we can still get back to its highs. And overall, I think that maybe I would invest in Uber if I'm looking to invest in rideshare. But if you're looking for something that has maybe a little more volatility, more growth potential, Lyft could be at a good buying point right now. The biggest loser today was Upstart, which was down about 20%. And this is due to the fact that right now we're in a really challenging rate environment. Rates are really, really high, and since Upstart gives out loans, this is not good for their bottom line. In fact, their revenue slid about 4%, but despite this slide, they still were higher in earnings for this past quarter than their guidance suggested. So is this a good buy? Well, the bear case is that this company has not reported a profit since 2021, and that was when we had interest rates about 0%. However, their quarterly income is increasing since then, which is good. But something else that isn't great is that there's been a huge jump in their liability since 2022, and I'm not a big fan of that. The bull case, though, is their quarterly cash flow is rising, actually, and it's trading well below its 2021 levels when interest rates were lower. So if we see an interest rate cut soon, I would imagine that Upstart would probably, gain some value back. Thank you for watching and listening, and make sure to tune in tomorrow. As a reminder, this is not financial advice. It is just for education and entertainment purposes.